name is Frank Lazzara. I'm the Director of Sales and Strategy for Bell on the MV-75. The MV-75, commonly known around the world from our demonstrator phase as the V-280, but is now called the MV-75, which is a tiltrotor that is purpose-built for the Army assault mission to basically double their capability that they have currently in their current fleet. So we are on contract with the Army and finalizing design as normal during the EMD phase of an acquisition. We are on track now to deliver an aircraft next year, would be the first prototype. So we are in the phase of finishing critical design reviews, releasing engineering, actually building parts, and in some areas, starting assembly of the first aircraft that will be delivered next year. So Black Hawk is a conventional helicopter, and this is a tiltrotor. And tiltrotor leverages the advantages of a wing that can't be reproduced in any other rotary wing form. The easy way to look at it is basically double the range, double the speed of a conventional rotary wing aircraft like the Black Hawk. And that's because you can rotate those prop rotors and take off and land like a helicopter, maneuver like a helicopter, but when you are cruising, you cruise more like an airplane using the advantage of a wing. Yes, very similar to the Osprey. Of course, we have a lot of lessons learned from the over 850,000 operational hours on the Osprey that have been applied to the design of this aircraft. But because of our Osprey experience and other tilt rotors that we've worked on, it is a much more advanced version, so we can it'll be more reliable, more sustainable, and of course, very importantly, easier to acquire from a cost perspective. Well, it's designed to do the same basic mission, so carry a squad size plus some enablers or additional payload that's got a larger cabin area than a Black Hawk, so it can carry more, reconfigurable for the medevac mission, various other types of missions. We're already promoting on the international level. We already have a very vigorous, not only at Bell, but with the US government, has a very vigorous program office doing the work for it to pave the way for future international sales, partnerships, collaborations. When this started, it was all about designing an aircraft that meets the Army needs. And so we get great engagement here. We get to, touch base with senior leaders, but also very importantly, we get to have touch points with the soldiers who maybe someday will be operating it or flying on it. And that's very important to us. Every soldier is a VIP for us here at this show. So, and today I have a very full day of international engagements, speaking to various other countries on the advantages of the aircraft. And with some, there are serious conversations going on about acquisition of the aircraft.
So the MV-75, the M stands for multi-mission, V is vertical takeoff and landing, and the 75 is really a nod to the Army's birth year, 1775. This program represents really a clean sheet, all digitally designed, leap forward in technology.
This aircraft is the latest and greatest in technology for the United States Army to conduct not only its air assault missions, but a whole variety of other missions out there that need to be done, like medevac and Special Operations Command and launching lethal effects.
It can support homeland security. It can do self-deployment missions. Truly modular aircraft that can do any mission that the nation asks for it.
When we look at what the Army does from an investment, from a generational standpoint, this is a leap. This is going to ensure that they always have the capability edge, and we are just really excited to get it to them as fast as possible.
When somebody walks up to this airframe for the first time, it takes a breath away. It's important that folks understand what this capability is and how that's going to get integrated into the future fight.
The most modern, game-changing, transformational aircraft that the Army has ever seen. And we really think this is not evolutionary, this is revolutionary.
I can fly like a turboprop. I can land like a helicopter anywhere I want to, day or night.
This aircraft represents the highest technology in basically the aeronautical sphere that could be provided right now.
This will be the first program in all of the Department of Defense that is born with modular open systems architecture. It is a game changer with how they will be able to evolve new capabilities into the platform in the coming decades.
Most is really going to change the game with how we upgrade this aircraft. If we get a new radio, we'll be able to plug it in and get it working without having to go through all the testing and airworthiness that we otherwise would have to do with our legacy fleet.
We're going to bring this new capability into the Army, give them a reach they haven't had before, people effects at distances that they haven't done in a while and the enemy can't do.
The MV-75 is now propelling the Army in such a capability to bring our soldiers to the front of the battlefield first, twice as far, twice as fast. This is transformational capability that is shortly on the horizon.
For over 40 years, the UH-60 Black Hawk has been the backbone of U.S. Army aviation, flying in every major conflict from Grenada to Afghanistan. Developed by Bell Textron under the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft Program, the MV-75 is based on the proven V-280 Valor tiltrotor. Its twin rotors tilt forward in flight, allowing it to take off vertically like a helicopter, but cruise like a fixed-wing aircraft. This hybrid design delivers a major leap in battlefield mobility. The MV-75 cruises at over 520 kilometers per hour, almost twice the speed of the Black Hawk, which tops out around 280. Even more critical is its extended range. The MV-75 can fly more than 1,700 kilometers without refueling, compared to just 600 for the Black Hawk. That means deeper insertions, faster response times, and fewer refueling stops in hostile territory. Power comes from two advanced turboshaft engines built under the Army's improved turbine engine program. They deliver higher power output, better fuel efficiency, and improved performance in hot, high, or sandy conditions. The lightweight composite fuselage reduces radar and heat signature, and the fly-by-wire control system improves maneuverability, especially at low altitude. The MV-75 can carry 12 fully equipped troops and over 4,000 kilograms of internal cargo, with more than 5,400 kilograms in external sling loads. A wide rear ramp and side doors allow for rapid deployment, vehicle loading, or casualty evacuation under fire. Survivability is built in. The MV-75 is equipped with radar warning receivers, missile launch detectors, directional infrared countermeasures, and infrared suppression. Digitally, it's a battlefield node designed to share real-time intelligence and data through JDC2 networks, linking ground forces, air units, and command centers. The Black Hawk earned its legacy through decades of combat. The MV-75 is built to carry that mission into the future, faster, farther, and fully connected.